Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about what will happen on the 2nd of April 2025 on Uthando Nesthembu, episode number 22. Episode 21 of Uthando Nesthembu left fans on the edge of their seats, setting the stage for what promises to be an intense follow-up. Preview for this week episode, tension seemed to escalate as Macele confronts Mayeni, leading to an intervention by their husband. The confrontation appears to stem from the disagreement where Macele is seen approaching Umayeni. The exact nature of the exchange remains unclear, but it's evident that emotions run high in the polygamous household. The interaction between Macele and Mayeni hints at underlying tension that might be symptomatic of deeper issues within the family's dynamic. From the observer's perspective, it's crucial to consider the pressures that comes with living in a polygamous setup, where each wife navigates not just her relationship with the husband, but also with co-wives. This setup can lead to both supportive and competitive interactions, as seen in the upcoming episode. The confrontation could be interpreted in various ways. As a moment of assertiveness from Macele, a defensive response from Mayeni, or perhaps a misunderstanding that escalated due to the accumulated stress. As a head of the household, his intervention is not just a stopping a potential conflict, but also about mending and ensuring harmony among his wives. Manages this situation could set a precedent from future interaction within the family, highlighting his leadership and emotional intelligence in maintaining family peace. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now until we meet in my next video.